Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D2, chapter number 12, exercise 12A, that is about the volume and surface area of pyramid. In this lesson, first of all, I'll discuss the basic concept of total surface area of pyramid. Okay, as we look at this pyramid, we can see the pyramid has total of 5 faces. One is the base and 4 triangular faces. In order to find the total area of this pyramid, what we have to do is that we have to open this pyramid. We have to draw the net of this pyramid, and I hope everybody knows from my students that net is the open form of that solid. And when I will be opening this solid, this base, which is the square base, will come at the middle place, and the triangular faces, 4 triangular faces will be coming at these places. Okay, in order to find the surface area has 2 parts: the area of the base, and which is the base area, and the area of the side faces, that is the lateral area. Okay, so formula for the total surface area of pyramid is total area of all faces equals to area of the base plus 4 times area of triangle. In case when the base is a square, these all triangles will be identical one. We can find the area of one triangle and we can multiply that by 4. But if we have the rectangular base of the pyramid, then we are not going to use 4 times area of triangle. In rectangle, length and breadth are not same. So in that case, we will be having 2 triangles of identical size and 2 triangles of other identical length. I hope you are clear, and you have to keep this point in your mind for the discussion of the total surface area of the pyramids in the exercise, because this is one of the important concepts according to your O-level examination. Coming to the exercise, in this lesson, I will discuss basic level exercise 12A. Question number 1. Question 1 says OABC is a triangular pyramid. With the base area 15 centimeters square and the height is 4 centimeter. Find the volume of triangular pyramid. Recall my previous lesson that what is the name, other name of triangular pyramid? That is tetrahedron. Okay, and coming to the question again, that what is 15 centimeters square? This is the base area given, and height is 4 centimeter. So let's write small statements that base area equals to base area equals to 15 centimeters square, and height of pyramid which is already given in the question is 4 centimeter, and read the information which begins after find. Okay, find the volume of pyramid, which is the requirement of question. Recall the formula for the volume. Volume of pyramid equals to 1 by 3 into base area multiplied by height of pyramid. And now calculated answer of base area is given. Nothing to do, very easy question. 15 and height is 4. 3 how many times is 15? 3 5s are, and 4 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 20. So the volume of pyramid equals to 20, and the units are in centimeters, so centimeter cube. Really easy question. And let's move to the second question. If the formula is clear, then the question will really be easy for you. That OABCDEF is a hexagonal pyramid with the base area 23 centimeters square and height is 6 centimeters square. Find the volume of pyramid. Very easy question, and it's similar to the previous question. We are given with the base area of pyramid, that is base area equals to 23 units square 23 centimeter square, and height of pyramid is equals to, which is given in the question, 6 centimeter, and we have to find the volume. Formula for the volume is 1 by 3 base area multiplied by height of pyramid. So what I have to do, I have to replace the values carefully. Okay, let me move to this side. 1 by 3 into area, which is given is 23, and height is 6. 3 ones are and 3 twos are, and I'm left with 23 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 46. So the volume equals to 46 centimeter cube. Really easy questions, and let me quickly move to the next question. Question 3 says OXYZ is a pyramid whose base is a right angle triangle where x to y is 7 centimeter and y to z is 4 centimeter. Given that the height of pyramid is 5 centimeter, find the volume. Okay, if we look at this question, if we compare the question with the previous two questions, the requirement of all three questions is that we have to find the volume of pyramid. But in the previous two questions, base area was already given. But in this question, base area is not already given in the question. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to find the base area of this question, and base of this pyramid is right triangle. So area, formula for the area of triangle equals to area of triangle or right triangle equals to half base multiplied by a height, and that can be taken as half base can be 4 and height can be 7. 2 ones are and 2 twos are, and the base area is 14 unit square centimeter square. Now what we have to do, we have to find the volume of this pyramid. Volume equals to, formula for the volume is 1 by 3 base area 1 by 3 base area multiplied by height, and instead of base area, what we are going to do is we have to replace 14, and the height of this pyramid is 5. So first of all, I have to multiply 14 by 5. That gives me 14 multiplied by 5 by 3, which is equal to 70 by 3. Now here I have to divide 70 carefully by 3. 3 twos are 6, and I will left with 1. 3 threes are 9 and 1. So it can be taken the form 23 whole 1 by 3. So the volume of this question is 23 whole 1 by 3 centimeter cube. I hope you are clear about today's class. For our next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.